Another thing to bear in mind is do not drop the plugs inside with your hands. Don't do that. Because when you drop the plugs, now we're just talking about the gap. Once you drop your plugs in there, they hit something, then they bend. The car is gonna misfire. Yeah, in that gap there. So if you drop and then it closes there, you're gonna have a hard time. Your car will misfire, whether you like it or not. So make sure that you don't drop the plugs inside. To be safe, you can use a tube. 90% of our people do have the tubes that you just plug a tube and put in there. Since you don't have a tube, you use a coil. Put it inside. Then you turn